I gotta fix my mic. I mean, my webcam. Feel like I'm crooked. I gotta fix my mic. I mean, my webcam. Feel like I'm crooked. I gotta fix my mic. I mean, my webcam. Feel like I'm crooked. I gotta fix my mic. I mean, my webcam. Feel like I'm crooked. I gotta fix my mic. I mean, my webcam. All right, DDR trading. Welcome to DDR Trading, the live. We go live every morning during the trading days, during the trading session. My name is Osiris, and I run a free trading Discord where I educate people on mindset and execution in these markets. And so my Discord is very free. It is very free. It's very free. We're all just trying to elevate and understand the mindset behind the markets because these markets do not have to be that hard, but it all depends on the approach, right? So if we don't have a good perspective or a clear perspective on what that approach looks like, then these markets are going to win every time. Every time. So we keep it simple. I keep it simple personally. I don't try to like overcomplicate anything. And yeah. Let me see if I can play a little music. Yeah. A little bit of music. Good. Yeah. All right, what are we looking at? Scrolling to the higher time frames, the 4-hour time frame currently. Price done pushed into this low. This is what I've been waiting for. Price to push into this low. I'm turning it down a little bit. Open your ears, take a deep breath, bottle those fears, put them on a baby come here, time to make a mess. All right, yeah, price done pushed down into this low. If we remove this fib structure, you can see that we had this break. We had this trend break here, right? Price came back, tapped into this 1 minute, tapped into this 1 minute high. And now we're sitting at a pretty okay area. What price may do, in my opinion, is we may reverse right here, or we may break past here. If price breaks past these lines here, then you know that we're good for a bullish bias. See, we tapped into this range in here, and then we've been on our way up ever since. Broke, retest, continuation. We might retest into this area, and that's where I'll get my entry. When the business done, I'm gonna block them all. Yeah, so we're breaking this area, we're retracing, we came up to this area, we retraced, so we have to watch price very carefully here. We need clean confirmation that this is exactly what price is gonna do. But if we don't get clean confirmation, and now you're thinking about what is clean confirmation? Well, clean confirmation for me would be that there's alignment in all of my terms. So for instance, how is the dollar looking? How's the dollar index looking? Right? Is the dollar index going down? Is the dollar index going up? Are we breaking past this area on the dollar, or are we not? If we're breaking past this area on the dollar, then we potentially may have another bullish bias. But if we're not breaking past this, if we're just tapping into it to continue to go down, then gold is going to continue to go up. And so right now I'm waiting for several different confirmations. So I need DXY. I need the DXY to look bullish. That means gold is going to be bearish. But if the DXY is bearish, that means gold is going to be bullish. So I'm utilizing this for further confirmation. Yeah, on the 4-hour, you can see that the dollar has been on the uptrend. On the 4-hour. Sorry, my chart's usually not this messy. But on the 4-hour, you can see that gold is on the uptrend. I'm sorry, that DAX is on the uptrend right now. We're at this structure here. Apparently, we broke past it. We may be coming back to retest to continue to the upside. Just waiting on clear confirmation. Clear confirmation. We don't get clear confirmation, OVA. And you see on the 1-hour, it looks like we're having like a little double bottom situation here. Keep on standing on business. Think it really large like I'm living out of district. Giving you an ounce that I'm in it, girl. You the prettiest thing in the city, girl. Praying every day is a must. Gotta have faith in the way that you are. Way up, I'm all the way patient. 15-minute on gold looks pretty good. Yeah, 15-minute on gold looks pretty good. As you can see, we broke past this range here, this level. So this is a very important level here. We need to see how price holds at this area. If we hold above it, cool. If we start to break back past it, Lord have mercy. That boy cannot speak. If we start to break back past it, then you know there's some very good selling pressure in these areas. So we're just waiting for confirmation, y'all. We need price to break past this area, show strong rejection. That's how we know we're gonna retrace back to the upside. We could ride this all the way up here. We're looking for bearish confirmation on the DXY. Bearish confirmation on the DXY. Need bearish confirmation on the DXY. So right now we're just playing a waiting game, y'all. Sitting on the thumbs, playing the waiting game, and it's all good because every time we hit that button, you know that we get in gains. Every time we pull up to the market don't even get us saying, say my name. Yeah, I'm just trading on today, Friday in the morning, 7:12 a.m. Yeah, I'm playing it. Hey, yeah, that boy don't freestyle like that. Hold on. Get it in a minute. I'm gonna lay everybody down. You're the queen of my vision. All right, we're looking bullish. I'm sorry, we're looking bearish. We're looking bearish on the DAX. I like this song. Looking real bearish on the DAX, on the DACler. On my way up, way up. Very important level though, so we need to make sure we close past this level. Very important level. See how when you reduce this, it's gonna be good. I'm about to get my entry. it's so good when you walk. Got your hair done and your nails, yeah, they talk. Praying every day is a must. Gotta have faith. Need good confirmation here. You see how funny this is? You see how on the 5 minute, this one line just looks like 2 candles? But on the 1 minute, that one line covers all these candles? Gotta really be careful with what you're looking for here. You know what I'm saying? If you don't really know what you're looking for, you'll just get lost in all of this. Don't get lost, y'all. I know I'm looking for a break and retest. Right now, this is in the middle of a move. We got this W shape right here, right? We bounced, we came up, we bounced, we bounced, we came up. I need something strong here. I need some type of strong momentum. We got the free Discord, y'all. Free Discord. Y'all can pull up to the free Discord. I'm live right now, baby. Live right now. Way up, I'm all the way. Patient, I'm all the way. Man, I missed this trade earlier today. I missed this whole little spike here. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. 8+ setups only, y'all. All right, I'm in a trade. Risking $100. $100 stop loss. $100. I'm in at 47. 4709.98. 4709.98, y'all. Stop loss at 4706. 4709.98. 4709.98. A little high. Quick trade, y'all. This is gonna be a very, very quick trade. Let's see it. How small this is. On a 5 minute compared to the 1 minute, we're up, y'all. We're pushing. We're pushing, chat. To be real with you, I really want to take this up here. I want to take this up here. Still pushing, y'all. We're pushing. We're looking good. We're pushing. All right. Now, I'm a very big fan of moving your stop loss into profit. So, guys, if there's a moment in this trade where you are in profits, feel free to take your profits. I'm in profits right now. I'm not up as much as I want to be, but I'm definitely still up. And so, what is the mindset here, right? What is going to allow you to keep your profits or to not keep your profits? Well, this would be a quick scalp, right? So, if you're up a little bit right now, y'all, take profits. Look at that. I told you. Take profits. I just took profits. Took profits. Trade number 1. Trade number 1 complete, successful. Trade number 1 successful. And now, what are we going to look for? We're going to look for a re-entry. But the only way that we're going to get a re-entry for the real move is if these are in alignment with each other. So how are we going to get these in alignment with each other? Well, we're just going to wait for bearish confirmation on this side of things, bearish confirmation on this side of things, and then we're going to look for a bullish reaction on this side of things. So we need bearish confirmation over here at the DAX, at the DXY, and we need bullish confirmation here. Aren't you glad you closed that trade? Hmm? What we're talking about. Give me that 5 minutes. Too glad you closed that trade. Quickly, in and out. We're gonna catch a good move though. Yeah, this is nuts. That means because we got this huge bearish rejection candle here, go rebalance this. We got this huge bearish rejection candle. Best believe we're probably gonna come back to fill this. Come on, give me some bearish reactions here. Kombucha. Y'all need kombucha, yo. Drink y'all some kombucha. Price is like a jive turkey right now, y'all. Price is like a jive turkey. It don't know what it wants to do. So, because price don't know what it wants to do, we just gonna ride it out just like that. Let price give you the play. Let it give you the play. We don't want to lose money. We're gonna lose money, but let price give you the play. I just broke my glasses. My glasses were already broke. Now, Lord, I'm out here walking around with tape on my glasses. Walking around with tape on these things. All right, Price. Let's see what you getting for me, Price. What you looking like, Price? What it looking like? What it looking like, Price? We live on YouTube, DDR trading. We live on YouTube. Come catch these games with me, man. Catch these games. And I just tried to record a video and it didn't work. It didn't record. DDR trading. We are live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Come catch these games, y'all. Come catch these games. You know what I'm saying? Come catch these games with your boy. DDR DDR. DDR. How do I share the link? How do I share live on YouTube? Come catch these games, y'all. Come catch these games. You know what I'm saying? Come catch these games with your boy. YouTube. Live on YouTube. Catch these games, y'all. Catch these games. You know what I'm saying? Catch these games with your We break pass here. Live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Catch these games, y'all. Catch these games. You know what I'm saying? Come catch these games with your boy. Trading. We are live on YouTube. Catch these games, y'all. Catch these games. You know what I'm saying? I'm in. Quick. Scapiana. We're up. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. I need to post this video. Uh-oh. Link. All right, we're in. We're in. We're in. Again, $100 stop loss. $100 stop loss. Mm-hmm. Break, retest, continuation. Yep. On the 1 minute. Break. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Break, retest, continuation. Little drawdown never hurt. Are you afraid of drawdown? Are you afraid of drawdown? Don't be afraid of a little drawdown. Drawdown's good. Got to do. Yeah. All right, we're just waiting. We're on price to break past here. Waiting for Pry to push past. See, at that negative 61.8, that was a perfect entry right there. Perfect entry. Ah, man, trading is such a waiting game. It's like the most ultimate waiting game, right? Like waiting for your birthday ain't got nothing on trading. Waiting for your check ain't got nothing on trading. waiting for waiting for that waiting for your knight in shining armor to come into your life ain't got nothing on trading. None of that stuff got anything on trading, yo. It's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, DXY, dollar. I need you to fall. Dollar weakens slightly, still set for weekly gain. But it weakens. I need you to weaken my dollar friends. Weekend. For the weekend vibes. Still pushing, chat. Pushing. Pushing. Uh, still pushing. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so for those who just came in, if anybody just came in, my name is Osiris. I run a free trading Discord. It's called DDR Trading, the DDR Trading Academy. I just got fired from my gig not too long ago, and now it's just, I'm just fueled up. I'm fueled up. It is what it is. But I'm going to show y'all what the drive, determination, and resilience really looks like and what it stands for when you're working hard to accomplish something. I'm going to go hard, keep on standing on business. I'm going to catch these trades while I'm waiting in my living. I'm going to catch these trades while I'm waiting in my living. We're pumping, chat. Gives it so good when you walk. Got your nail done and your hair when they talk. Alright, for those who don't know, this is a trade. We're dumping now, but we was just pumping. Now we're dumping. Because of this. Because of this. It's okay. We ain't scared of a little drawdown. Ain't afraid of a little drawdown. I'm on my way up. I'm on my way. Come on, y'all. You're on your way where? Not afraid of a little drawdown, chat. We ain't afraid of a little drawdown, chat. We've been sitting in this trade for a minute. We gonna sit in this trade and we gonna do it. Where's my entry? Woohoo! That's a big drawdown. That's a big drawdown. It's just me and you, me and you. Look at this. It's pumping. That's why you gotta have a healthy stop loss, y'all. Have a good stop loss. Because if you get stopped out of something, don't be mad. Just know exactly where you need your stop loss to go so you can enter the trade fearless. You'll be like, yeah, I'm willing to risk X, Y, and Z. I'm already risking X, Y, and Z. So, you know what I'm saying? It makes it easier for you to proceed with the trades. Serving up the knowledge right now. Shout out to my boy, Lil Saint. Cutie wanna follow right now. I'ma lead her right to the bank. This thing is pushing. It's pushing. I need this thing to push too. This thing needs to retrace. Yo, somebody just made a fake account about me. Yo, I am the only DDR trading, y'all. Know that. I am the only DDR trading at DDR trading at Osiris the Skater. There's nothing more, nothing less. Do not believe any of these fake accounts these people are trying to frame and trying to create these gurus to be like, hey, X, Y, and Z. Do not believe any of that stuff. If it's not me, if you don't see me talking about DDR, if you don't see it on my Instagram at DDR trading, it is not a real account. It is not real. It is not real. It is not real. I'm flattered though that somebody would want to do that. Crazy. I said that I'm so handsome. We're gonna listen to that again. We listen to my music too on the. But we do a lot of stuff on the live, man. We listen to my music on the live. We talk about mindset on the live. We kick games on the live. Right now we down though. It's okay. If we lose this trade, we're going to wait on another setup. It might not happen for an hour. And I'm getting stopped out. I'm about to get stopped out. Stopped out. Out of there. Out of there. Gatekeep sushi though. That's the way I roll. Alright, so we just got stopped out of that trade. So what we're looking for now, is for price to reach a specific level, specifically this area down here, and then make sure that we are in alignment with the DXY as well as alignment with gold. So what do we mean by that? DXY needs to be up, gold. DXY needs to be up, gold will go down. Gold is down, DXY is up, and vice versa. So we just need confirmation on both sides. I'm gonna leave this here because this was a good trade to analyze. It's a good trade to analyze. And now we're just chilling. Spicy with no salmon. Matter of fact, add the tuna. Serving up the knowledge right now. See this. See this. I'd like to see price mosey its way down here somewhere. Yeah, I would like to see price mosey its way down here. Come back down here. Yeah, I'd love to see price come back down here, and then from this position here, just push back to the upside. Love to see that. Uh-huh. See, there's so much rejection on this 1 minute on this area. Rejection, 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 rejection. It's like, are we gonna break past this area, or are we just gonna constantly reject it? So many rejections. They said they ain't never heard of us. I'm talking to the max, like turn it down. Them neighbors tweaking. Usually I don't talk about all the things I'm talking about. The truth that's in your head, but in reality you now laying all in your bed now. optional, yeah. I said that vision's not optional, yeah. Okay, okay. That vision is not optional, yeah. And I'ma overcome these obstacles, yeah. Chatsky. They said they ain't never heard of us. Dumping, pumping, retracing. I like that song. Y'all like that song? Come on. Shit. Shit. You gonna pump or you gonna dump? You gonna pump? Listen, it's all of us. You ain't the only one that overthinks the things that's in their head. Amazing just how you speak. It flutters, it reads so deep. And I'm reading your body language in bed. Listen, and you know I got you, right? Walk in the crib and it's taco night. No problems, we gon' have a good night. Mrs. Light, right? Caught your heart on sight. Held it through the night. I would've got solely stopped out. I'll be honest with y'all. I don't like these markets. I lose one trade in the morning. I have a system. Pre-market, market open, after market opens. If I don't catch a trade during any one of those times, I don't really like the way that the market is unfolding. So then I'll take a break. The truth that's in your head, but in reality, you dead now. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Said I wanted it to tap into this range. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There's gonna be a very healthy setup coming pretty soon. Raising the bar, I'ma build my chest. You ain't going hard, you ain't doing your best. 50% still failing that test. Y'all see through like you wearing all mesh. Take a seat too when you listen to the best. Open your ears, take a deep breath. Bottle those fears, put them on a shelf. Baby, come here, time to make a mess. Puddles on the floor, yeah, it's raindrop season. Tell them slow down on the flight to Ibiza. French Quarter chick got a pocket the visa. Look at this 1 minute. Says she wanna be my eater. Yo, chick on my phone now. It's ridiculous how many times she called. When the business done, I'ma block them all. Gotta take the L and then claim the fall. Ain't never easy like that. Say it's easy like this. Make it seem easy. Make it seem easy. Day in my life is like a year in your shoes. If you take it for granted, guarantee you're gon' lose. There's a hard work standard that you know you go through. Blood on my shoes with this. Don't be frontin' false moves with this. I'ma tell you how I see ya. Step into the ring and I can make you a believer. It's so easy. I make it easy. A leaping frog. I leap out of the Holocaust. Ready to go to Mars with a spark like Tony Stark. Paying attention to odds. Bender like Avatar. I make it look easy. That's nature just playing its part. Pressure make diamonds, and I shine throughout the stars. Never forcing my part. I'm just staying about the arc. Make the elements come together when I step into the bars. And there's fire. Watch it burn without the oil. I got many ways to show you how to grow without the soil. No pot either. Take the plant and lace it with ether. Put the product in the packaging and send it to Peaches. I stomp on the ground daily. Big boots, yeah, I'm about that. Earth tone coat swag. Locks with the nose tag. W's on my book. Look at this. This thing is pushing. This has been a really healthy trade right here. It's okay. Wait on another setup, y'all. All right, so now it's very important that you mark your levels for this new move that's happening here. In 5 minutes, you need to know like the specific areas that price can get to. And so we're gonna mark this level here. All right, mark this level here. And if I do like my reverse fib structure, I'll show you that this is at 0 level, right? So if we can reach the 0 level, this means that this is a level for okay entries, but not the best, right? We want to see what price does. Is it going to break past it, go retrace, and then continue to the downside, or what is price going to do? So you just got to be patient. Patience pays here. Patience pays. That song was cool. This is another one of my favorite songs. Where were you when I needed some help? Where were you when I had no one else? What was that? I'm in the cut light. Let's have us a sharp night. The night is too bright. Stars in the moonlight. Taking all these chances that I never thought before. Looking at my heart, yeah, it's made of gold. I'm a pure soul in the midst of those. Thinking that chaos is all they know. Where were you? There's gonna be another move, y'all. Believe that. That one move that's gonna appear later could very well be the move. Recoup everything you lost this week. Or double X. Brothers like me never blend in. At 140 drawing. This looks like a pretty cool area. Remember, I said if we get to this -5 level, then we gotta watch price. We gotta wait for a break and retest. We want to wait for a break and retest, something like this, and maybe a continuation to the downside here. Gotta wait on it. I want to change my demonstration tool. Can I change, like, how do I change the... I don't know. I feel like I should be able to change this. Crazy trade right here. There's a coming down to this trend.
Where were you when I needed some help? Where were you when I had no one else?
Push past this all the way to this negative 61.8.
I'm in the cut like,
This is a good entry zone for trades. This negative 61.8 is a very good entry zone. So this is a level that you want to watch. If we get our retest, then we can continue to the downside. Now we have two scenarios here, y'all. We have two scenarios here. These scenarios are super exciting, right? Because if we push all the way back to this level here, then guess what? We may just reverse again. So you want to be careful. Careful. Watch price. Watch price. Watch price. TRE, just watch how I ate this. Guess what? We may just reverse. Hold on, can y'all hear the music? Watch price. Watch price. TRE, just watch how I ate this. Guess what? We may just reverse. Yeah, y'all can hear me. It's cool. And you can hear the music. Never blend in like a cold switch. Call them Ben 10. Damn. Don't die, oh. That push. 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 This push is not. Breaker, breaker. Retester, retester. Needed some help. Yeah, you needed some help. Do it all the time now. Breaker, breaker. You can panic and then embrace it. Send your prayers. Hold on, wait. Amen. I like this song, y'all. I needed some help. All right, I'm in. I got in for a small position. Small, short position. Looking at my heart, yeah, it's made of gold. I'm a pure soul in the midst of those. Thinking that chaos is all they know. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? I'm trying to find out. These exes and hoes be screaming so loud, it's on my mind now. Crumbs I'll leave behind now. Do it all the time now. Humble beginnings, but as of now, I'm on my see where we go. Matrix, ladder to the spaceship. Say your prayers, hold on, wait, amen. Do it all the time now. Humble beginnings, but as of now, we're on my mind now. Yeah. In chat. Pray for health, pray for wealth, pray for clarity. Where were you when I needed some help? Where were you when I had no one else? What was that?
I'm in the cut like, let's have us a shark night.
Have us a sharp night.
Stars in the moonlight. Taking all these chances that I never thought before. Looking at my heart, yeah, it's made of gold. I'm a pure soul
In and out.
Thinking that chaos
Scalpiana.
where were you? I'm trying to find out. These exes and hoes be screaming so loud, it's on my mind now. Crumbs I'll leave behind now.
Scalpiana.
Humble beginnings, but as of now, I'm out my mind now. Escaping from
Quick with it.
ladder to the spaceship. Connect with different faces, planets or races. He's him is an understatement. Being a Muslim around Mason. DRE, just watch how I ate this. It's a sandwich, you know the basics. You can panic and embrace it. Say your prayers, hold on, wait, amen.
Brothers like me never blend in.
Cold switch, call them Ben 10. Got the old whip, couple new friends. Where the day ones, how them loose ends. Has to pay something, such a nuisance. When a change come, cut the dividends. Where were you, where were you, where were you? I'm trying to find out. These exes and hoes be screaming so loud, it's on my mind now. Crumbs I'll leave behind now. Do it all the time now. Humble beginnings, but as of now, I'm out my mind now.
Look at this, man. They say the U.S. dollar's been doing pretty good. So, this is an important area for the dollar. An important area for the dollar. You want dollar? I want dollar. You like fried rice? I like fried rice. I love fried rice. Fried rye. All right, this was a bad trade. I don't really like this. I don't like this morning. So it's best to so I'm down about 200. 200 and that's minus the profits that I made yesterday. And so yeah, it's okay. I don't really like this though. So it's best to not even trade. mm.
Where were you when I needed some help? Where were you when I had no one else? What was that? I'm in the cut like, let's have us
That
a
my
sharp
alert.
night. The night gets too bright. Stars in the moonlight.
That my
Taking all
alert.
these chances that I never thought before. Looking at my heart.
All right, so these alerts are for some bullish and bearish confirmations. If we push into this box here, then we may push all the way back up to these highs. If we just came down here, retested, and then continuation, then I want to know that. And so I'll move this here, right?
Escaping from the matrix, ladder to the spaceship. Connect with different faces, planets or races. He's him is an understatement. Being a Muslim around Mason. DRE, just watch how I ate this. It's a sandwich, you know the
And this is about to trigger.
panic and then embrace it. Say your prayers, hold on, wait, amen. Brothers like me never blend in like a cold switch.
So once this triggers, this would have been my like watch for buys, right? Watch price here in this area, watch for a push above this, a retest, and then a continuation. Bang. All right, alert has been triggered. Notice how at this negative 0.618 level, price retraced, touched, and then it retraced. This negative 0.6, this negative 618 is a nice level. All right, so we're watching price at this area here, right? Again, watch price for here. Watch price pushing past this area. Remember, these need to be in in sync with each other. So these needs to be in sync. This needs to be down. This needs to be up. It needs to create some sort of a divergence, so that way we know what's happening on the other side.
When I needed some help, where were you? When I had no one else. What was that? I'm in the cut light. Let's have us a shark night. The night is too bright. Stars in the moonlight. Taking all these chances that I never thought before. Looking at my heart, yeah, it's made of gold. I'm a pure soul in the midst of those. Thinking that chaos is all they know. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? I'm trying to find out. These X's and O's be screaming so loud, it's on my mind now.
Crumbs I leave behind now.
Do it all the time now. Humble beginnings, but as of now, I'm out my mind now. Escaping from the matrix. Ladder to the spaceship. Connect with different faces. Planets or races. He's him is an understatement. Being a Muslim around Mason. DRE, just watch how I ate this.
It's the sandwich, you know the basics.
Panic and then embrace it. Say your prayers, hold on, wait, amen. Brothers like me never blend in. Like a cold switch, call them Ben 10. Got the old whip, couple new friends. With the new ones, how them loose ends. Had to pay something, such a nuisance. When a change come, cut the dividends. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? I'm trying to find out. These X's and O's be screaming so loud, it's on my mind now. Crumbs I'll leave behind now. Do it all the time now.
Retest, continuation. Looky. 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 So for those who don't know, that was a break and retest, right? A break, retest, continuation. It may even just do this and then continue to the upside. But that was a break and retest. That was a very good entry point right here. Retest, continuation. I didn't get the entry, so I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to wait until another good opportunity. It's 8 o'clock. It's been an hour since New York session has opened up. It's 8 o'clock. I lost $200. I'm not going to overtrade here, y'all. We're going to look for another setup. I'm going to post it in the Discord. Remember, at DDR Trading is my Instagram handles. The Discord is at DDR Trading Academy. It's free. We do have a premium side where I do more elaborate breakdowns and more so like welcoming you into the mentorship side of things. So you have more access to me and more access to the thought process and mindset. So a part of the DDR mindset is exactly that. If it doesn't feel right, if it's not looking good for you, just get off the get off the market, y'all. No need to trade, overtrade. No need to lose money. No need to consistently lose money or consistently overtrade. So when things aren't going well, when your head's not in it, for whatever the reason is, just get off the markets. The market is open a lot today, so you're going to have more time. All right? All right, y'all. I'm going to be out. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. Remember, at DDR Trading on all platforms. If you want access to the Discord, send me a message or comment DDR, and I'll shoot you the link. Peace, y'all. Thanks for pulling up.